Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be finding the power series of the function fx is equals to x squared over 7 minus x. So let's start. So first we know that the power series, we'll just write down the power series, which is n is equals to 0 to infinity x power n is equals to 1 over 1 minus x. And we know that the radius of convergence should be 1. So to write the function of x in this form, we need to have a 1 in the numerator. So what we'll do is we'll just factor out x squared right now. And so we will, and factoring out x squared, we will be left only with 1 over 7 minus x. Now this looks much easier to be changed into this form. So now we will rewrite this, and it can easily be rewritten as 1 by 7 times 1 over 1 minus x by 7. So if you notice, if we just replace x in the power series with x by 7, we get summation n is equals to 0 to infinity x by 7 power n equals to 1 over 1 minus x over 7. So this is exactly this function that we have here. So we can replace this function with its power series equivalent, this thing. So if we rewrite it, we would get 1 by 7 times summation n is equals to 0 to infinity x over 7 power n. So, and we need to mention here that radius of convergence we need to write it down here. So because we replaced x with x by 7, so we also need to replace x here with x by 7. So, and yeah, we can also write it down as x, absolute value of x is less than 7. So now the radius of convergence is basically 7. So yeah, anyways, moving on. So we can rewrite this, we can further simplify it as summation n is equals to 0 to infinity x power n over 7 power n plus 1. So we are pretty much there, but if you remember, we factored out x squared in the start here. We said that we'll factor out x squared. So now we need to add it back. So we'll just multiply this with x squared and multiplying with x squared. So when we multiply it with x squared, we'll get x squared summation n is equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n over 7 in power 1. So we can just take x squared inside the summation, and we would get summation n is equals to 0 to infinity x power n plus 2 over 7 to the power n plus 1. And since we multiplied with x squared, there is no effect on the radius of convergence, it would still remain as 7. So we were able to rewrite this function x squared over 7 minus x in a power series representation of summation n is equals to 0 to infinity x to the power x n plus 2 over 7 to the power n plus 1 with a radius of convergence of 7. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.